Hello Sudoku guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend November the 21st, 2020. The second Sudoku I will solve is a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 1918. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I have already counted. This one has also 25. How could that be? A 4-star Sudoku has always 24, but now it's always 25. Same like the previous Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then how about yeah 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 4 should be there. 8, 9, 7. Yeah. 8, 9. 9. Yes. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. I cannot continue with the 9. 9, 6, 3. 9, 6, 3. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 9. We see there 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be here, or could be there. One of the missing number here is also a 6 in this big square. We see there 6. No 6s in those 3 boxes, so the 6 could be here, could be here, could be there. Same with the 3. We see there 3. No 3 in those 3 boxes. 3 could be here, could be there, could be here. I don't think this is a good solution to present. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, and 8 in the third column. So in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 numbers are reserved in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now I can solve those 3 numbers in this big square. Missing numbers here are the 1, the 5, and the 7, 1, 5, 7. We see here 7, we see there 7, no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 5 and the 1 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have here the 3 and the 6, so 1 digit left should be the 2. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 could be here, could be there. The 9, the 7, and the 1 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 could be here, could be there, and a 7 could be everywhere. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Let me think. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Alright. 4. Yes. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers are 4. We see therefore no 4 in those 3 boxes. Therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Two. Yes. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 1, 4, and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 9. Could be here, could be there. I need pairs. 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing in this column. I cannot fill this yet. 9, 6, and 3. 1, 3, and 4. In the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 7 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle. A row for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7, yes, let me mark those. 9 and 7. Then. 2 numbers left in this column. I have now a 4. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 4. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. So this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 7. We have there 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. Let me mark those again. It's a pair. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in the second column for the number 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. How about... we have a pair. No, let me do the 9 first. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7. The 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. We have a pair here in the middle column. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the middle column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here, should be there, together with the 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 6. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 3 and the 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first row, the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 2 and the 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 before, yes. So no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right, great. Sudoku. I don't think this is really a 4 stars Sudoku, rather a 2 or 3 star Sudoku, but I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you then. Bye bye for now.